Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change default browser to Chrome. First of all, open up the settings in your device. Go to Windows and click on the settings, or you can also search for the settings here. Click on it to open your settings. After that, at the left side of your screen, you can see apps option. Click on it. Here you can see default apps option. Click on default apps. Here you need to search for your Chrome. You can also search here by typing the name in this field. After that, click on Google Chrome. Now you can see make Google Chrome your default browser option here. Click on Set Default button. You can also change for PDF, HTML, SVG and everything here. Simply click on it and then select Google Chrome. Press it the same for every other options. After that, click on Set Default. So that is how you can change default browser to Chrome. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.